Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Listen for Hey Siri on your iPhone, and it's for HomePod mini device. So to do this, you'll need to get the Home app on your iPhone and open it like that. Then select the device from the room your HomePod mini is located in. So it's this one for me in the bedroom, and we're gonna and we're gonna scroll down right here, just like that. And from here we can enable Listen to Hey Siri. So now if I say Hey Siri, it doesn't listen, and if I enable it, Hey Siri, it works. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.